Hi everyone, today I want to show you the 3D hydraulic hinge. This is for the Blum one, the Blum famous brand, and this is our Temax one. They are very similar, and first you can check the hole size. This hole size is 48, and the hole size also 48. And for these four hole size, we have three sizes. It's 45 mm, 48 mm, and 52 mm. Also, here come with the dowel screw, wood screw and the dowel here, with dowel and the screw. And Blue have more one for this screw. You can see they are both the hydraulic hinge. You can see. Now soft close. And also soft close. The Blum one has this little clip. You can see. Pull down is without soft close. And put on. This up. Now it's soft close. You can see. And the damper is inside, but our damper is here. This one is mini soaked and it's special new, but very durable. It's the new technology. And for this screw, you can see in blue is the normal screw. Our Temax one is with the limit stop screw. You can see. It's easy to adjust, and when you use the stronger strength, it's easy to penetrate this one. Easy to penetrate this size, but with our this screw, it's easy to protect this screw and the hinge. It will not penetrate. And also this two screw is same. You can see. This one adjusts forward and backward. You can see. And now the important one is this one, the clip. This one, blue one, is the zinc alloy material, and all is the steel material. But all this is outside. You can check. All this is outside. Have the more surface to touch. You can see. Large contact surface is easy to disassemble. This is the blue one. You must to push more strength. But all just easily. And for this bike, you can check this. And this also the same size is the 32. You can see it's the 32. And this one can open and close the 50,000 circle times. It's very good quality. Now there are difference between. You can check them.